Hey everyone, welcome to the channel again. And today, another day trying to make the car better. So I'm just trying to get better every day, right? And so there's one thing I think I mentioned to you guys before. So I really want to change the air filter. Yeah, because right now you can see it's pretty dirty right now. So it's not that. So this one's a genuine K&N filter, like a universal type. But the main problem is the stains. So I think the fabric slightly go through already. So I think it's not repairable. So I have to change it. You can see it's slightly wobbling as well. Maybe the dirty air can go inside from here. And I've been thinking two options. One is to get a exact same air filter, but slightly longer. So I really want to get this thing longer and make it going down there so I can get more air, like cold air through the hole. But I have another, maybe a better option is without changing this thing, so I can twist it a little bit. But I'm gonna use a slightly longer filter and to get a better airflow possibly. So that's why I decided to go this one. So it's a K&N. So it's a longer filter, 4 inches flange. So apparently it's bigger than that, but I'm gonna open it up and you can see the comparison. Yeah, you can see. So wow, it's pretty big, right? So you don't usually see the like 4-piston engine using this kind of filters, but man, I'm gonna try because so this thing is one of the most powerful 4-piston engine I've ever driven, and so I want to get a better airflow, and also you can see it looks pretty aggressive. But let's see, because the one I'm using now is a universal type, and they have some adapter like a rubber ring, so I can put the rubber ring around here, so I can still use the flange. And I mean the clamp, so just put it on, clamp on, so it's gonna work well. Alright, let's get started, and just to remove the old filter and see how it goes. Oh, I think it has some. Yeah, I almost missed out the sticker. The sticker is inside, like that. See, man. So, K&N, did you guys put a sticker in the filter? If I didn't see that, I put it on and the turbo suck this in, man, it's gonna melt it, right? Yeah, so I just removed the old filter, and with the hose, you can see the turbo. So right now it's slightly hot, I think, because I just back from the drive. Yeah, but look at it. Yeah, still pretty good, right? And so some people, they run the engine without the filter, but they put a turbo guard with a metal mesh around there. So it looks pretty clean like that. But the problem is I'm more like the I mean, if you use that, it's okay. But if you want a better performance, so because right now it's gonna suck a lot of hot airs when you drive. So I think the oxygen level in the engine is low. So that's a problem, that could be a problem, right? So you're gonna lose the torque and horsepower. But if you run like this, I believe the sound will be pretty insane. So you can hear more the turbine noise, spoon noise, say when you boosting, right? So it's gonna sound pretty cool like this. Yeah. Yeah, let's see, what can I do with this? Apparently I need to take the adapter out. So this filter is pretty good, actually. So it is easy to take out. Don't tell me it's already seized. Hold on. I'll try to take out first and show you guys. Yeah, so just like this. That's how the universal filter work. I think you probably just need to. You can have a look. Yeah. Simple as, man. It's pretty easy. So I just put it on and clamp in. But I will keep this area a little clean. I think there's a tiny bit oil something. Yeah, because apparently this filter is a Canon filter. Sometimes you need to, after wash, you need to use the oil, so we oil the filter. So that's why some of the oil maybe got sucked in and left on the area. At the moment, the pipe is alright, no oil on it. So still did a pretty good job. But hey, with that thing, so it's gonna be. Look at it. You can just imagine. Oh shit. It's gonna be crazy, man. But I'll see. I will try to do the good treatment on this thing. So we have limited space around here. If I can see the angle, it should be alright. Let's see. So I'll just give this thing a little wash. Yeah, so this insert is like an adapter. You know, before I also wanted to try to just like that. But still this area, you can see, it's gonna keep sucking the hot air. So that's why it will be better to put on a hose. So, yeah, I do this now. Hold on. Yeah, I probably just need to put this up. I can still push in a little more. Yeah, so that's pretty much the angle I'm gonna do. You see the cold air just from there, so most of the air can hitting this area. Yeah, probably just to tighten this thing up. So what do you guys think? It's pretty massive. So that filter is more like for 6-cylinder RB25, RB26, some kind of like that. 1 JZ, 2 JZ. But it's gonna be good. So yeah, I think the pro is over the cons. So yeah, so I'm gonna tighten everything up. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's okay. Hold on, because so the intake tube is slightly touching the turbo. See, probably just remove out a little bit. All right. Yeah, it's pretty close. Yeah, now it's fine. And it's pretty much right here. So I pushed in quite a big distance. It's gonna be really tight. Yeah, that's all good. I think this make the turbo look slightly smaller, right? Well, let's try it. See if there's any problem with the closing the hood. It should be alright. Hold on. So he's not gonna touch. Hey, has a tiny bit problem, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it's fine. Just my the lock need a little bit of lubricant. Alright, so I will start the car. Let's open the hood again. I'll start the car, give it some rev. And yeah, the sticker, so where should I put? I wish it has two, so I can put one on each side. Maybe I'll figure out later. I think probably here. Yeah, here's pretty clean, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I just put it there. Just follow my feeling and make the quick decision. So the middle is around, let's do it right there. Okay. Yeah, just like that. It's not bad, right? Yeah, it's okay. Alright, let's turn on the engine. Where's my key? Let's see. Hopefully, let me. Make sure it's not going to touch anything. Can you hear it? Let's go out for a drive. See if I can feel any difference. Place. notice now, you can see right now the fan is on, so the hot air is gonna go through that way. So from here it's cold. So from here it's pretty hot, but here is cold. That's all today, guys. So it feels pretty alright, and so no gap. So I think the air is pretty clean right now. Some more airflow. Yeah, but still a little bit massive. I just need some time to get used to it. Alright, so that's everything today, and hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.